In the last video, we already demonstrated how to use the app and the drone to collecting the boundary point of a field. In this video, we will teach you how to do a full automatically operation using the map that we already done last time. Initially, we open the app and charge the battery connected to the drone. After we done the mapping, and we can return to the main screen of the app and click the auto work and choose the right working team. And if you're doing a few refresh, and you can see the map we just collecting. So we choose the map we just done it, and click the blue arrow to go next. And now we can actually adjust the map to the same direction with us. Now we start to configure the parameters. Click the ruler icon to set up the safe distance between the boundary or the safe distance between the obstacle. We recommend to setting up more than 3 meters. For the boundary safe distance, it's recommended to set up more than 2 meters. Click confirm. And now we start setting up the padding. And you can choose the different padding according to different model of the drone. Usually we choose 4.5 meter or 5 meter. And we want the drone to start from the near line. So you can click on the screen, actually change the direction that how the drone is flying. And choose a starting point of it. Just click any point that close to the drone. The point 1 is the initial point, and the point 18 is the finish point. And we want the drone to be start from the point that near itself. So we click it and we change the direction. And we can also deleting a few of the track. If you want to delete any of the point, we can just click the point itself. And you will say, do you want to delete the point between 15 to 16. After the setting up, we just click the blue arrow again, go next. And now we can see the GPS, and we see the drone dashboard on the top of the screen. And the point S is the starting point of the flying. The point E is the ending point. So now we check the parameters. Setting up the heightness. Usually we recommend to leave 1.5 meter or 3 meter between the crop. And you set up the flying speed. Usually put it to 5 meter per second or 7 meter. And for the pump, just leave it as default, and just click the first button to do the uploading, and click the third icon to do departure. When you click it, the drone will be unlocked itself and rise to the heights that we set. And now we can click the fourth button, which is the operation start button. Now the drone will go to the starting point and start the operation. While it is flying, the drone will be doing smart spray. If you want to switch to the strong spray, put the channel edge to the left side. When the drone is done the operation, it will be do hovering in the ending point, which is the point E on the app. And now we can switch back to manual mode to remote control it back, or we click the last button, which is the return button. When we click the return button, the drone will be raised to the height that we set up, the returning height, and directly come back to the edge point, which is the home point. So during the time when the drone is doing automatically return, if there's any obstacle in it, the drone will not doing any obstacle avoiding. That's why we recommend to set up the returning height to a little bit higher. When a drone is landing, we can still adjust the position of the drone. When adjusting is done, the drone will automatically landing and lock it up itself.